cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square. I am using the formula a square minus b square. It is in the form a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So now dear students, first you take cot square a common. If you take cot square a common, it will become 1 plus cot square a. So 2 can I write it as 2 tan a into cot a? Why I should write? Because 2ab is missing. A square is there, b square is there, ab is missing. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometric functions. So now exercise 13.2 in your textbook. So prove the following. Prove that cos power 4a minus sin power 4a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. So take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is cos power 4a minus sin power 4a. So now can we write this as cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square? All of you know law of indices. A power 4 can be written as a square whole square. So if you use law of indices, 2 2s, it will become 4. Now it is in the form cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square. Now again it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? You know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here a means cos square a, b means sin square a. Cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square. I am using the formula a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So this will become cos square a plus sin square a into cos square a minus sin square a. Now cos square a plus sin square a, you know it is 1, and we are left out with cos square a minus sin square a. So we got cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a is what? That is 1 into. But they want 1 minus 2 sin square a. They want you to prove 1 minus 2 sin square a. See, next step we have to decide depending on RHS. RHS contains only sin. It does not have cos. So convert cos. So I can, in spite of cos square a, I'll write 1 minus sin square a. And the other term minus sin square a, let it be here. Means I am using the identity. All of you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So in spite of cos square theta, you can write what? 1 minus sin square theta. Why? Because from the identity. What is the identity? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is how much? 1. So if you transfer sin square to RHS, it will become 1 minus. So in spite of cos square theta, you can write 1 minus sin square theta. Here we have cos square a. In spite of cos square a, you can write 1 minus sin square a. Already we have minus sin square a. So now these two are like terms. Minus a becomes minus 2a. Similarly, minus sin square a becomes minus 2 sin square a. So now this is your RHS. This is what they want you to prove. So if you see RHS 1 minus 2 sin square a, we got it. Hence the proof. I hope all of you got this. Then prove that sin a plus cosecant a the whole square plus cos a plus secant a the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Again take our LHS, arrive at RHS. So we'll take LHS. LHS we have sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. First simplify this. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Same formula will apply. Sin a plus cosecant a the whole square is what? Sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a into cosecant a. Similarly, now this is cos a plus secant a. Cos a plus secant a the whole square can be written as cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 times cos a into secant a. Now further simplify this. Here we have sin square a and cos square a. Club that. So I'll club sin square a plus cos square a group it, plus we are left out with what? 2 sin A into cosecant A. So you know cosecant A, in spite of cosecant A, can I write it as 1 by cos 1 by sin A? All of you know reciprocal of cosecant is what? Sin. Plus again I have cosecant square, and here we have 2 cos A into secant A. I will take this term. In spite of secant A, you can write 1 by cos A, reciprocal of secant, and remaining terms I will write at the end. One is cosecant square A, the other one is secant square A. So here all of you know sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, plus sin A cancels, 2 into 1 is 2, plus cos A cancels, 2 into 1 is 2, plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. This is what is left out. Now 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 it will be. So now they want 7 plus, so we'll compress this. Now I am left out with 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. See, dear students, observe the RHS and then you go ahead. So in RHS we don't have cosecant and secant, we have tan and cot. So every problem is guided by RHS. So here after you arrive at this stage, again refer RHS. We have not reached the RHS, but we are about to reach, but we have cosecant and secant instead of tan and cot. So how to convert it into tan and cot? So 1 plus, see these numbers, if you add, it will be 5, plus instead of cosecant square, you can write 1 plus cot square. You know, cosecant square A is what? 1 plus cot square A. Similarly, instead of secant square, you can write 1 plus tan square. Now further simplify this. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So it will be 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So this is the RHS if you see. So this is RHS, hence the proof. I hope all of you got this. Then prove that 1 minus sin A plus cos A the whole square equal to 2 into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus cos A. So we'll take LHS as usual is equal to what? 1 minus sin A plus cos A the whole square. So dear students, I'll apply A plus B the whole square. I'll treat 1 minus sin as first term and this is one term. So what is A plus B the whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A, I'll assume it as 1 minus sin A. So it will become 1 minus sin A the whole square plus cos A the whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB means what? 2 times 1 minus sin A into cos A. Further, it is in the form A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this can be written as 1 square plus sin square A minus 2AB, 2 into 1 into sin A. Again I am applying A plus B the whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Plus we have cos A the whole square means cos square A plus 2 times 1 minus sin A into cos A. Dear students, I am not disturbing 1 minus sin A because in RHS we have 2 1 minus sin A. This is there. So now simplify the terms. So we have 1 plus sin square A, and also here we have cos plus cos square A. First I'll group it. I'll write cos square A separately here, and then I'll write the remaining minus 2 sin A. Then we have minus 2 sin A, and further this last term plus 2 into 1 minus sin A into cos A. So now if you observe, this sin square A plus cos square A can be written as, what is sin square A plus cos square A? 1. So I'll compress this as 1 plus 1 minus 2 sin A plus 2 times 1 minus sin A into cos B. Further 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 sin A plus 2 into 1 minus sin A into cos B. Further, in these two terms you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, 2 into 1 minus sin A plus 2 into 1 minus sin A into cos B. So dear students, in these two terms again you can take 2 common. and 1 minus sin A common. 2 into 1 minus sin A if you take out, you are left out with this whole term becomes 1 plus this is cos, sorry, cos what they give? Cos A, sorry. Cos A, right? So here it's cos A. The question they gave A. So here also it is A. Cos A. Now 1 plus cos A. So now what do they want you to prove? Yes, 2 into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus cos A, we got it. This is the RHS, hence the proof. See here, in these two terms, if you take 2 common, you are left out with 1 minus sin A plus 2 times again 1 minus sin A into cos A. So if you observe carefully, so here also we have 1 minus 2 sin A, 2 times 1 minus 2. You take it out, so this whole term becomes 1 and this is this. I hope all of you got this. So now we'll go ahead with some more problems. Next, prove that, okay, now we'll go to the problem 13. Prove that cot square A plus cot power 4A is equal to cosecant square power 4A cosecant square A. So now they give cot square A, LHS you take and try to arrive at RHS, plus cot power 4A, they want you to prove what? RHS, so we took LHS. Now further, cot square A plus cot power 4A we have. Right side cosecant square, everything is in cosecant square, convert. So now dear students, first you take cot square A common. If you take cot square A common, it will become 1 plus cot square A. And you know what is 1 plus cot square A? What is 1 plus cot square A? 1 plus cot square A is cosecant square A. So now you got cot square A into cosecant square A. So but they want everything in terms of cot cosecant. So this cot square also converted using identity. So now we are left out with cot square A into what? Cosecant square A. But they want the whole answer in terms of cosecant square. So instead of cot square, you can write cot 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. Cot square is cosecant square minus 1. So I can write cot square A as cosecant square A minus 1. Outside we have cosecant square A. Now you multiply cosecant square A into cosecant square A becomes cosecant power 4A minus cosecant square A into 1 is cosecant square A. This is the RHS. This is what they want you to find. I hope all of you got this. Then prove that root of secant square A plus cosecant square A is equal to tan A plus cot A. So take LHS. In LHS they give root of secant square A plus cosecant square A. You know secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square A. Similarly, cosecant square can be written as 1 plus cot square A. Cot square A. Now you know 1 plus 1 can be written as 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So dear students, carefully if you observe, we are left out with root of, I'll write first tan square A. Tan square A can I write tan A the whole square. Cot square A can I write cot A the whole square. Plus 2, that's all is there. So 2 can I write it as 2 tan A into cot A? Why I should write? Because 2AB is missing. A square is there, B square is there, AB is missing. If you know tan A into cot A is 1. So 2 into tan A into, in spite of cot A, I can write 1 by tan A, it will cancel. So it will be 2. So in spite of 2, you can write 2 sin A into cosecant A or 2 tan A into cot A. Here I want tan and cot, so I'll write this as into 2 tan A into cot A. Now further it is A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB is A plus B the whole square. It will be tan A plus tan B the whole square. Now square root cancels. So you are left out with tan A plus cot A. This is your RHS. I'll discuss after 14th. I'll discuss the remaining problems in my next session. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.